Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Esther, and in this video I'll be telling you guys how to make a difference. There are three types of people in this world. The first one is those that make things happen negatively, and a very good example is the Nazi Germany war, Adolf Hitler. The second type of people is the one that make things happen positively, Jesus Christ, Martin Luther King, etc, etc. And the third one is the people that are just there, like they just exist, they make no difference either positively or negative. And it's quite sad that most people are in the third type, like are in the third category. So this video is about to change that. So please share this video with every single person that you know around you. Keep in mind that the people that made differences, positive difference, Martin Luther King, Shakespeare, Nelson Mandela, they are not privileged or more advantaged than you are right now. Like most of you are even more privileged than them. Like they're just regular schmegular people just like you and I. Also, a common misconception is that making a difference, like it has to be a huge difference. No, it doesn't. Like it can be as little as feeding the homeless person down your street, or making someone happy, or calling your loved ones or something. Like it doesn't have to be like major, being a superhero, being a Superman, saving the day, or Powerpuff Girls or something. No, it can be very little things that you yourself might not count as tangible, but the person that you're affecting their lives will know that it's very important to them. And also keep in mind that you don't have to be rich, and your age does not matter. Like it doesn't matter if you're old or young or middle-aged or whatever, and your social class does not matter, either you're upper class, middle class, working class. As long as you can make an impact in someone's life, then you're definitely making a difference in the world. So anyway guys, let me just get into the tips on how to make it. The first step to make a difference is to realize that you've not come into this world empty-handed. Like you have a purpose, you have a seed in you that you have to plant and let it germinate and feed other people. Obviously that's a metaphor. Yeah, find your purpose and just make it work. I'll link a video up there on how to find your purpose in this world, so please watch. The second way to make a difference is to not be afraid to give. The Bible says givers never lack, and lackers never give. That's not part, but yeah. So if you give people, like you are definitely making a difference in their own world. And even though it might affect you, but God will definitely bless you for that. Like trust me, God will bless you. The next way to make a difference is to have a positive attitude. I'm all about positivity, spreading love and spreading happiness. If you have a positive attitude towards anything, then you will achieve anything that you set your mind to, because you always be pumped that yes, I know I'm gonna achieve it and I will. So the most important thing is to believe you will, like have a positive attitude about making a difference, and you will definitely make a difference. And my last point is to have faith in yourself. This kind of links to my previous point about having a positive attitude. Like if you have faith in yourself, then you will move mountains. The Bible says if your faith is like a mustard seed, then you will move mountains. So do you know how little a mustard seed is? So if you have faith in yourself, like you can do anything. And also do not seek validation from other people. Do not have to need another person's praise to affirm your word. Like don't let people praise you, don't let people compliment you for you to know that you are doing something good. As long as you believe that what you're doing is good, then carry on. And that's it guys. We all have something that we have to give. Like we all have a voice that has to be heard. Like we all have to impact someone's life positively. Like more people need to move from the last category of people to the first one, to the second one, guys, not first one, second one. Like affect people's life positively. Don't just come to this world and just live like that. Like let people remember you. Like when your name is mentioned close to someone, let them smile and say yes, this person blessed me and God bless this person. Like don't just be like a like I don't know how Yoruba people say it, but don't be like a snake that passes on a rock without any impact. So yeah, that's it guys. Thank you so much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe if you have not already. Stay positive, stay blessed, stay beautiful, stay motivated, and I'll see you in my next video. And don't forget to drink water and mind your business.